Let's face it, diaper changes can be a challenge. Newborns need frequent changes, sometimes up to 10 times a day. That means lots of practice for you. Each diaper change is an opportunity to get better and more efficient. It's common to feel a little intimidated at first. You might worry about doing it right or making your baby uncomfortable. Don't worry, it gets easier. With time, you'll find your rhythm and gain confidence. With a few tips and tricks, you can master the art of the diaper change. Organization is key, so keep everything you need within arm's reach. You'll be a pro in no time. Having a checklist can help ensure you don't forget any steps. New parents quickly learn that babies are unpredictable. They might suddenly move or start crying. Sometimes they'll cooperate during a change, making the process smooth and quick. Other times they'll wiggle and fuss, turning a simple task into a bit of a workout. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Stay calm and talk to your baby to soothe them. I'm going to share my best tips to make this daily task easier. From choosing the right diapers to mastering the technique, we'll cover everything from setting up the perfect changing station to handling diaper changes on the go. Remember, practice makes perfect. You've got this. With patience and practice, you'll handle diaper changes like a pro. The key to a smooth diaper change is a well-stocked changing station. Having everything you need in one place can make the process quicker and less stressful for both you and your baby. Choose a safe and convenient spot in your home. This could be in the nursery, your bedroom, or even the living room, as long as it's a place where you feel comfortable and can easily access. A changing table or a designated area on the floor works well. If you opt for the floor, consider using a soft mat to keep your baby comfortable. Make sure the surface is firm and secure. Safety is paramount, so double-check the stability of your changing table or the area you've chosen. Gather all your supplies and keep them within arm's reach. This includes not just diapers and wipes, but also any creams or lotions you might need. You'll need diapers, wipes, diaper cream, and a changing pad. Having these essentials ready can save you time and hassle. A small bin for dirty diapers is helpful too. This keeps the area clean and makes disposal easy. This keeps everything organized and easily accessible. An organized station means you can focus more on your baby and less on finding supplies. Hygiene is crucial during diaper changes. Keeping your hands clean helps prevent the spread of germs. Always wash your hands thoroughly before and after each change. Use warm water and soap to ensure they are properly cleaned. You can also use hand sanitizer if soap and water aren't available. It's a good backup to have on hand. Keeping the changing area clean is important too. A clean area reduces the risk of infections and keeps your baby safe. Wipe down the surface with disinfectant wipes regularly. This ensures that any germs or bacteria are eliminated, providing a safe environment for your baby. Creating a calm and comforting environment can make all the difference. Choose a time when your baby is calm and content. Avoid changing diapers right before or after feedings. Distraction is your best friend during diaper changes. Keep a few toys or books near the changing station. These will hold your baby's attention. Sing songs, make funny faces, or chat with your little one. Timing is everything. Don't wait until your baby is extremely fussy to change their diaper. Frequent changes can prevent diaper rash and discomfort. Section 4. Diaper. Change 101. Now let's break down the diaper change process step by step. First, lay your baby down on their back on the changing pad. Gently lift their legs and remove the dirty diaper. Use wipes to clean your baby's bottom thoroughly. If you're using diaper cream, apply a thin layer to your baby's clean, dry skin. This helps prevent diaper rash. Next, slide a fresh diaper under your baby's bottom. Make sure the tabs are positioned correctly on the sides. Fasten the diaper snugly, but not too tight. You should be able to fit 2 fingers comfortably between the diaper and your baby's tummy. Lastly, dispose of the dirty diaper properly. Section 5. Outsmarting the diaper dilemma. Even with the best preparation, diaper changes can sometimes be tricky. Babies can be unpredictable, and what worked yesterday might not work today. But don't worry, I have a few more tricks up my sleeve. These tips can help make diaper changes smoother and more enjoyable for both you and your baby. Try playing peekaboo with your baby while you're changing their diaper. This simple game can capture their attention and make the process more fun. This can distract them and make them giggle, turning a potentially stressful moment into a joyful one. If your baby is particularly fussy, try changing their diaper in a different location. Sometimes a new environment can be just the thing to calm them down. Sometimes a change of scenery can make a big difference. It can be as simple as moving to another room or even stepping outside for a fresh air change. Another helpful tip is to use a changing pad with a strap. This can provide extra security and peace of mind. This will keep your baby secure and prevent them from rolling off, allowing you to focus on the task at hand without worry. Remember, every baby is different. What works wonders for one might not be effective for another. What works for one baby may not work for another. It's all about finding the right approach for your unique little one. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you and your little one. Whether it's using toys, singing songs, or trying new locations, keep an open mind and stay patient. Section 6. Diaper Duty on the fly. Diaper changes don't stop just because you're on the go. With a little planning, you can handle diaper changes anywhere. Invest in a good quality diaper bag. Make sure it has plenty of compartments for all your essentials. When packing your diaper bag, include a travel-sized changing pad, wipes, diapers, and diaper cream. Hand sanitizer is a must-have too. When you're out and about, look for designated changing areas. Many public restrooms have them. If you can't find a changing table, you can use your stroller or even lay down a blanket on the floor. Safety is always the priority. Section 7. Embrace the change. Diaper changes are a fact of life for parents, but they don't have to be dreaded. By following these tips and tricks, you can make diaper changes smoother, easier, and even enjoyable. Remember to be patient, stay positive, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. These early days of parenthood are precious. Cherish the moments you have with your little one, even during diaper changes. And don't forget to share these helpful tips with other parents. We're all in this together.